Hi guys, today we are making, this is someone here who's, can you say hello and take your fork out of your mouth? Hello, what are we going to make today?
I don't know.
We're going to make something called Thusha Sinni, and it's very famous, and all the Bangladeshi people who live in Sylhet, they know what I'm talking about, and this is a person from Sylhet. Hello, can you wave? Yeah, so let's make Thusha Sinni. Okay, so now we're gonna make the actual flavor, which is gonna give you the taste. So I'm putting 2 cups of water in here.
Water.
That's
Okay,
1 cup.
have the same amount.
So again, same amount. Another cup of water goes in.
Yes.
Now this is gonna give me the flavor that I'm looking for in the Thusha Sinni. Okay, so thank you very much for helping. This is your flavor. This is gonna give you the flavor. Okay, this is called dalchini and this is called elachi. And anyone from Bangladesh, they know what I'm talking about. And anybody that don't know from Bangladesh, you can go to your local Asian shop and say, can I have this stick and that thing there? So that goes in there. That goes in there. These are like making perfumes because they give you all this really lovely smell. So this is gonna boil up.
Yeah.
Right, and the final ingredients is sugar. And you'll notice that we've used the same cups. So
Not brown sugar.
yeah, white sugar. Okay, so remember the mix. If you use this cup, we gave 2 cups of water and the spices. So 2 cups water and 1 cup sugar. There goes the sugar.
And then the
Wonderful.
glass sugar. But it's not going to...
Give it a quick stir and let's just here to see what's going on.
It's like turning like the world.
Passed on full, I'm stirring it up. This is your flavor. This is what's gonna be give you that smell of that lovely smell that you normally hear or smell. You can't really hear smell, I mean smell it when you go to those Sinni stuff. Okay, so now I put a cup, 1 cup of ghee, any ghee. As you can see, this ghee, as the ghee, it's called ghee. All right. So you put 1 cup of ghee, and just having a look at the other one is just still carrying on, so that's fine. The flavor's coming out. You put 1 cup of ghee here, and then we come back to the mix again, which is the same cup, but this time is plain flour. So 2 cups of water, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of plain flour. Right, so here it goes, the plain flour inside our... There you are. Thank you very much. And we're gonna start stirring. The whole art of making great Thusha Sinni is to stir it properly, and that will create the flavor. Right, so we're frying the plain flour. This is where the taste comes in. So no rush, medium to low power, and then keep frying it and stirring it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Pause. Right, it's nearly there, as you can see. The ghee is giving away and it's frying quite nicely. So keep on frying it until you get the desired color. So this is nice and brown color, as you can see. Perfect color. And I'm going to put some raisins in there. Just a few raisins in there. And then just keep on stirring it. Give you a little bit of flavor when you eat it. It's just getting nice and hot now, which is your sauce, flavor sauce. And once this is ready, we're going to pour this onto here and stir very hard, very quickly to give you the best flavor of Thusha Sinni. Okay, so here we go. It comes in. Just be careful slowly. It's going to bubble a lot. slowly, nice and slowly, nice and slowly. Make sure it doesn't catch any stick. As you can see, keep it.
Too dark to see.
There you are.
It's too dark to
There
see.
you are. We're getting there now. As you can see, the flavor is coming through and the magic is being created. There you are. There you are. Perfect. Thusha Sinni has been created.